Hi there, Serial Trader here. So I just want to show some nice setups on three very high quality names that I think are worth consideration here. So the first one is Apple. And from the high that we made there in September, I think we got a nice sideways contracting triangle correction. So A, B, C, D, E. I think we've already begun our move out of the triangle with Apple, and I think we got our initial wave one up. We're either in the wave two or it's nearing completion here, and then looking for further impulsive advance to the upside once we find our short-term support, which we may have already done there on Friday or Thursday, but we will see. So yeah, Apple, very nice triangle breaking out, obviously targeting new highs above 137.98. So I think this is fairly actionable at the moment. So you can buy stock, buy calls, do a call debit spread, however you want to play it. That's up to you, but I'm just presenting the setup, and it looks quite nice here, quite bullish. And obviously Apple is, a very high quality name, so the patterns are certainly more trustworthy on a name like this than some little small cap stock, in my opinion. Okay, now on Amazon, that's the next one on the menu. So similar, Amazon peaked out again, same day as Apple, September 2nd. And looks like we're doing a similar sideways move. We have not broken out of it yet, though. So we're a little earlier as opposed to Apple. Looks like it's already starting to go up here. So A, B, C, D. Now here's where the ambiguity is. We could put the E here, and we got maybe a little 1, 2, 1, 2 forming. Or if we make a little bit of a new low below that November 10th low, we could just drag our E over here and then start our impulse wave off of there. So it doesn't really matter whether we make a marginal new low here on Amazon or not. The overall message is the same, and that's to expect a breakout to the upside and eventually make new highs above the September high. So that's Amazon. Again, very high quality name, very nice looking chart setup. Very similar to Apple's, but just earlier. It hasn't broken out yet. Okay, and thirdly, Microsoft, similar situation. So we made the high there again, September 2nd. And it looks like we're doing this sideways contracting triangle on Microsoft as well. So we got A, B. Now this B wave was real big, but still I could count that nicely as a B wave. Then we got C, D, and we potentially just put in the E wave low there on Friday. And if I just switch to a candlestick chart, you'll see we did a nice bullish engulfing candlestick there, potentially marking our E wave, triangle apex. So that looks nice. Potentially a very actionable setup right now. So we got the overall pattern, we got the candlestick signal, looking good. And then obviously expecting an impulsive advance up to new highs for Microsoft as well. And now the question begs, if three, really large cap stocks, these three stocks alone make up a substantial amount of the S&P 500, the NASDAQ 100, etc. I think, Apple's in the Dow. I haven't even looked whether Microsoft or Amazon are or not, but I know Apple is. So the point is, if just these three stocks alone are on big bullish breakouts soon, what does that mean for the market? Well, it probably means the market's heading even higher, right? So keep that in mind as well. That kind of adds to my bullish bias on the overall market, just seeing these kind of setups on such significant names. Okay, well, that's really all I wanted to point out in the video. No need to drag on here, but I just thought those three big names with very similar high quality bullish setups, certainly worth showing you guys, and hopefully you can do something with that. I'm certainly involved here, and feeling pretty good about the prospects for gains on these ones. Okay, Serial Trader signing off.